Hi guys, welcome back. This is Kimberly from Loving to Shop. Just coming to show you an item that I picked up from Fashionphile. If you're not familiar with Fashionphile, Fashionphile is a wonderful place where you're able to buy pre-loved items, sometimes in new or excellent condition. They do have some items that are listed as good and very good, but most of the items that I purchased in my experience with Fashionphile, all my items have come in excellent condition. So I just want to show you something that I picked up. If you're interested, let's get started. So I tried to do a video, it didn't work out. So here is the dust bag of the item. It came in the box. So all Fashionphile items come with their own dust bag. Well, this particular item I received the Fashionphile dust bag, and they also gave me the dust bag for the actual item. So it is a small leather good, as you can see. This is a dust bag for a small leather good. This is the receipt that the item came in. And we all know Fashionphile packaging is amazing if you're familiar with Fashionphile. And their saying is, used is the new. I've been shopping with Fashionphile for at least 5 years. I've sold many things to them, and I've also purchased many things from them as well. So here's the box. I already opened the item, as you can see, and the box actually fell. So this is the box that the item came in. It's an LV wallet. It's from the collection last year, 2020, and it is the monogram Escale Victorine wallet. And here it is. Here is the wallet. Is a small wallet, compact wallet. Is from the limited edition collection that they did in 2020. This is the pink version. They also have the same wallet in a blue and white. You can definitely, I saw a few on Fashionphile. This also came in a card holder, and if I'm not mistaken, this collection did have the wallet in a Zoe wallet, but I'm not 100% sure on that. But this is the Victorine wallet. It's open up like so. It has more than enough card slots. It has space for me to put my business cards. I also have space to put cash. I also have space for change. And I already inspected the wallet. The wallet is definitely in excellent condition, as they have stated. And this is even the identification number for this. So I'm shocked this is still in here. So whoever sold this to Fashionphile probably had second thoughts on it and decided to give them everything, because it came with everything as if I would have purchased it from the store. The identification stuff inside, the box, and the actual dust bag. So here she is. We all know there's a lot of reviews online on the Victorine wallet in monogram version, and I just thought this was cool, so I wanted to come in and share it with you. This is my new Victorine wallet from the monogram Escale collection, and that's it. This is Kimberly from Loving to Shop. Have a good day.